Here's for part 3. I got the water pump off. Got the power steering moved over. It looks good. And it seems like it's good, but the same way to get the that water pump on is just reverse the process when you take it off. And I took some extra stuff off. I'm getting ready to pull this engine out and put another one in. And almost forgot, once you take those 15mm nuts off of these, there'll be 3 of them, and it should be a 11/16, and then those will come off. 2 long ones go here, then the 2 long ones go here, and the shorter one goes there. And then once those are off, then you hit it with a hammer or whatever, but just be careful you don't break it. And then it'll pop right off. And then there's my other 82, but same way of putting it back on, just reverse the process, and then when it's all put together, it should look like this. But we'll see how it goes. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and share. And thank you, and good afternoon, and goodbye.